Hey nieces and nephews, it's your girl Bad Aunt BB, and I'm sure you're wondering how I took Zury's vibe to this sweet little everyday piece to a holiday knockout, a straight curly suit. And I'm showing you right now. I've got my flexi rods, and after I detangle with combing and brushing, I'm going to make separate parts of the hair, combing through, and I'm going to start adding my flexi rods in the direction I want my curls. Now the bangs in particular in the front, I'm really special on, so I really need them to be super tight and luxurious. So I have to comb and separate and roll my little orange flexi rods into my hair like so. And then I'm gonna make it tight, and I'm just gonna keep repeating the process throughout my entire hair. This part can get a little strenuous, but be patient. You want your hair to be as detangled as possible, and you will get these perfect little ringlet curls that I'm going to show you in the end. Now what we're gonna do is make a big old pot of greens. Just kidding, that was in a couple of videos ago. Girl, you better can't cook. Think you're there for your pretty look you want. Okay, sorry. I could help myself. We gotta cook the weave, y'all. You gotta let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Just let your wig sit in that boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm trying to be as concise as I can for the sake of YouTube, but you see I have my fan over there to air dry it, and I'm just gonna leave this here overnight to air dry, and you'll see the rest in the morning. All right, we're in the next day now. I did let it air dry a little bit beyond the morning, and she's perfectly dry now. So I'm just gonna slap her on the side of my head, and we're gonna undo. I just want to show you guys how the curls are gonna come out when I take the flexi rods out, and I'm just using my fingers only for the most part, except you see I got a little tanglage going on in the back, so I'll go in and I'll use a wide tooth comb to detangle whatever parts, and basically I just fix it. I've got this really nice, super curly, kind of reminds me of Red's wife from that 70s show. Really old Hollywood glam tight pin curl ordeal. And I'm holiday ready. Just go ahead and finger comb it and straighten out the baby hairs and fix out the ideal parts of the weave after the fact. I hope you guys like this. If you do, make sure you hit the like button, share and subscribe. And remember, there's no community without the you and the I. So make sure you're checking out my social media and letting me know what you think below. It's Bad Aunt BB, over and out.